Extra care can be needed in the store or during wear, too. Pick displays that aren't exposed to direct sun or intense spotlights for irradiated stones and those treated with oil, wax, or dye. Also advise customers not to wear these gems for frequent outdoor activities, or leave them sitting on a windowsill in the sunshine. Never use ultrasonic, steam, or commercial solutions for cleaning bleached, coated, dyed, filled, or impregnated stones. In fact, avoid all chemicals, even lotions and cosmetics, for bleached materials, and protect coated or diffusion-treated gems from abrasives and rough wear. Although permanence and special care are usually the most sensitive parts of disclosure, you can honestly state, with proper precautions, the beauty added by treatment will last as long as possible. And tests. Detecting plastic-impregnated jadeite or opal, as well as certain heating methods, usually requires advanced lab testing. Here, you might stress your firm's quality control and technical support resources. A few treatments, like irradiation and most heating, are often unprovable because they duplicate processes that can occur naturally. However, many of these are simply assumed because they're known to be prevalent, or they produce colors that rare or unknown in nature. Every few years, there are media reports about radioactive gems. This means you'll probably face an occasional objection about the health risks of an irradiated stone. When this happens, reassure the customer that government and trade organizations set safety standards. Although hazardous material does rarely slip through the industry's screening process, there are established procedures for identifying and dealing with it. This is another reason why it's important to do business with a jeweler you know and trust. Now, you've got the good news. With the right attitude and information, you can turn treatments into A+ for your customers and your sales efforts as well. Group discussion. Thoroughly review your company policy on treatment disclosure. Discuss the philosophy and reasoning behind it. You can obtain FTC disclosure guidelines from the nearest government printing office. Ask for the Federal Trade Commission guides for the jewelry, precious metals, and pewter industries, 16 CFR 23. You can also get this information on the internet at www.ftc.gov/bcp/guide/jewelgd.htm. The relevant section is 23.22, Brainstorm common treatment processes for familiar consumer products. Then match them with gem treatments. For example, finishing wood and impregnation, try to come up with a good comparison for each type of treatment you might disclose. Discuss when and how you might cover the three key aspects of treatment disclosure: the method and its results, its permanence, and any special care required, in a sales presentation. Remember, you don't have to say everything at once, but you do need to cover all the essential points.